Back on the old bicycling trail. Well, I can remember back this past winter when this thing was like frozen over, but it wasn't frozen over as much as it was in winters past. This was the fourth winter of riding a bicycle, and it's been the warmest winter. This had ice and snow on it, but it wasn't really as bad as it had been in the winters past. It was actually pretty decent. You could almost ride on it at times. If it was like hard packed snow, you could get right down and ride right on it without breaking through, but just a couple months, 2-3 months go by and look at the change, you know. Just amazing. From March to April, from March to June, from March to July, I mean, there's a big change. It's just amazing the change that takes place in just a few months. Is it warm out or is it cold out? That's another question. Just like last weekend. Rabbits you gotta watch out for. Last weekend was a similar thing. Just can't tell if it is warm or if it's cold, because it's like I put a jacket on, it's a little bit too warm for that. But you take it off and put a short sleeve shirt on, then it's a little bit too chilly for that. So we're in the borderline. You're just gonna have to just put the jacket on and sweat a lot. There doesn't seem to be any alternative, because it's just too chilly to wear a short sleeve shirt all by itself. So I took that off and put this jacket on. But it's like a little bit warm for this. I'm sweating a bit. It's not like with a vehicle where you can control the temperature inside the vehicle. You turn down the air conditioner if it's a little too chilly, or turn it up if it's a little bit too warm, so you get your temperature just right. But it's not like that with a bicycle. Some days like this are just difficult. It's not really even all that difficult. It's just you just don't know what to do. It's just a slight chill, but it's not really chilly enough to be uncomfortable. It's just something. You can't put your finger on what that something is. But then the next minute, you know, you turn around and it gets really warm. And then it gets right back to chilly again. It's like it's off and on. Back and forth between hot and chilly. Between warm and chilly. Then then tomorrow, next week, it'll be right back up in the 80s. It'll be boiling, blistering hot again, which is fine. You get used to the heat after a while. It's just that when you start out on the bicycle,